The premiere of the movie Scent of Mystery in 1960 marked a singular event in the annals of cinema, the first, and last, motion picture debut in glorious smell-o-vision. Hoping to wow moviegoers with a dynamic olfactory experience alongside the familiar spectacles of sight and sound, select the audiences and critics quickly concluded that the experience stunk. Fraught with technical issues, smell-o-vision was panned and became a running gag that holds a unique place in entertainment history. The flop of smell-o-vision, however, failed to deter entrepreneurs from continuing to chase the dream of delivering smells to consumers, particularly in recent years, through digital scent technologies. Such efforts have generated news headlines but scant success, due in part to a limited understanding of how the brain translates odor chemistry into perceptions of smell, a phenomenon that in many ways remains opaque to scientists. A study by neurobiologists at Harvard Medical School now provides new insights into the mystery of scent. Reporting in Nature on July 1, the researchers described for the first time how relationships between different odors are encoded in the olfactory cortex, the region of brain responsible for processing smell. By delivering odors with carefully selected molecular structures and analyzing neural activity in awake mice, the team showed that neuronal representations of smell in the cortex reflect chemical similarities between odors, thus enabling scents to be placed into categories by the brain. Moreover, these representations can be rewired by sensory experiences. The findings suggest a neurobiological mechanism that may explain why individuals have common but highly personalized experiences with smell. Advertisement. All of us share a common frame of reference with smells. You and I both think lemon and lime smell similar and agree that they smell different from pizza, but until now, we didn't know how the brain organizes that kind of information, said senior study author Sandeep Robert Datta, associate professor of neurobiology in the Blavatnik Institute at HMS. The results open new avenues of study to better understand how the brain transforms information about odor chemistry into the perception of smell. This is the first demonstration of how the olfactory cortex encodes information about the very thing that it's responsible for, which is odor chemistry, the fundamental sensory cues of olfaction, Datta said. Computing odor. The sense of smell allows animals to identify the chemical nature of the world around them. Sensory neurons in the nose detect odor molecules and relay signals to the olfactory bulb, a structure in the forebrain where initial odor processing occurs. The olfactory bulb primarily transmits information to the piriform cortex, the main structure of the olfactory cortex, for more comprehensive processing. Advertisement. Unlike light or sound, stimuli easily controlled by tweaking characteristics such as frequency and wavelength, it is difficult to probe how the brain builds neural representations of the small molecules that transmit odor. Often, subtle chemical changes, a few carbon atoms here or oxygen atoms there, can lead to significant differences in smell perception. Datta, along with study first author Stan Pashkovski, research fellow in neurobiology at HMS, and colleagues approached this challenge by focusing on the question of how the brain identifies related but distinct odors. The fact that we all think a lemon and lime smell similar means that their chemical makeup must somehow evoke similar or related neural representations in our brains, Datta said. Thanks for watching. Do you like my video? Then show me your love by pressing like button. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for new science inventions in future.